Good morning guys! So to today's video, we're going to the river. So here, so view with lots of, there's a cow, carabao, and then a little hills. So this is the walking distance only near in my place, near in my house. So every morning and every afternoon, there's a lot of people here to feel the fresh air, to breathe a fresh air. So it's already 8 a.m. so people are already at home. We'll go to the river. River. Brown cows. Cow. I think cow over there. Our place is over there. So especially before the time of pandemic, a lot of people are going here. Doing exercise, Zumba, dancing, walking, bonding with friends, families, picnic. So here it's free. You can visit here free as long as you will maintain the cleanliness of the area. We are near at the river. We'll try to do the fishing if there's a fish, if we can catch a fish. I know there's a crab, a little crab, little fish. So my last visit is that 1 year ago. 1 year ago, I visited the river. And I got busy already, so it did not happen again. We are here at the river. We just need to maintain the... There's a good weather here. Summertime the Philippines. See how wide. So this is the Talon Falls Resort. Talon Falls Resort. So yes, the entrance is cheap price only. You can go here free also if you don't want to rent a cottage. Huh? Okay. Let's go. Free shower, free swimming. If you don't want to rent a cottage, you can go there and swim for free.
Mga bulaklak. Bulaklak, ganda.
Flowers. Huh? May itim. Cottages. It costs 300. But if you don't want to rent a cottage over there, you can swim for free. You can use this area.
Mabilim.
Hindi. Huwag mong ikat. Dito na.
Doon.
Dito na. Saan tayo? Doon na? Doon na lang. Ha? Pwede kami na makakita.
Hmm? Naliligo na. Doon, daan, doon.
Hindi naman ako pupunta.
Ano yan?
Dito lang. Swim, swim, swim. Mahaba na ba? Malinaw naman ah.
Ano ba yan? Live?
Hindi.
Ano ba pa?
Bigay mo yan sa kanya.
Ah, parang tubig. Tulas yung chinilas ko.
If you will go this area, it's free swimming. But if you will go there, there's a cottage. So, free.
Ay, kalabaw.
There's a carabao. Carabao. Swim, swim, swim. Bye guys. You were there. There's still a cottage over there. And it costs 300 pesos per cottage. At Talon Resort, what are you going to cook? Talon River, what are you going to cook? Charcoal. Charcoal only. Kids. Picnic, picnic. Yes. there are kids also selling Indian mango. Yeah, Indian mango per kilo. Buti na lang mo yung tripod kung matangkad. Yeah, lots of people are going here to do the swimming. So sometimes they don't want to get a cottage. So if you don't want to get a cottage, just sit beside for free. Swimming. Hoy, ba't inano niya yung ano niya?
Sira.